Now, we have seen, it's not just you, companies in the crypto space raise lots of money, doubling, tripling valuations in the private market. But there's still some questions over how public market investors are going to value them. You have Coinbase that's down nearly 50% from its 52-week high. Do you think that money and valuations is more flush in private markets than public markets at the moment for crypto companies?
So I think that's part of the trend, of course, but I think that one of the things that's very important to look at here is like Chainalysis is very much different from a lot of other companies in crypto. So we are in B2B SaaS. We are selling software as a service, software that's built on top of our data platform, and that helps inform government agencies and other public sector institutions in 150 countries worldwide, and in 30 countries worldwide. That's 150 of them. And we also help on the private sector side by selling data from our data platform that informs the market. So some of the stories that we just heard about Ether and so on is stuff that we can help predict and inform in terms of like trading advice. So I would say we are selling data that tells you how the market moves and tells you like where the funds are flowing. We are not directly tied to the crypto economy. So I would say that's slightly different. It's like probably signalizing a lot of growth in the company.
Okay, thanks for that nuance. Now I wonder, as you provide this data to allow users to see market signals, are you providing that for institutional investors, retail investors, both?
We are focusing on institutional investors in Chainalysis. So that's the core focus. We're B2B, so that's the focus. But also I would say from the public sector, there's definitely a need for more data, both on, of course, illicit activity, as we've been serving our customers with for a long time now, but also on general on the market data and market intel.
Does that create a further divide between, access for information, which has been such a hot topic? Does that give an advantage to institutional investors as the space matures?
So I think there will always be an advantage for institutional investors. We already know that like you would use satellite to look at how many cars enters Walmart's parking lot to understand what you would expect from the next earning call. So I would say that is always the case, and the strive for information is constant, and it's going to be even bigger in crypto. So I would say the most valuable asset in the digital economy is data.
Wow, that may not be so encouraging for some of the retail investors out there. Now, part of your business, Michael, is flagging regulatory risks in the space. So I want to get your view on Tether, now the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, twice the trading volume of Bitcoin. There's been a lot of debate over its role, with some calling it the weak link in the cryptocurrency economy. Do you agree with that assessment?
I actually don't think so. I think that Tether has shown over the years that they've been able to actually build the bridge between traditional finance, fiat, and crypto, and being able to move a stable coin online. They've done that extremely well over the years. We've seen that there's backing for their currencies, and we have no reason to believe that that's not the case today.